When it comes to coffee, nothing quite compares to the rich, aromatic taste of freshly brewed espresso. For many coffee enthusiasts, the ideal solution is an automatic espresso machine. These machines simplify the process of making cafe-quality coffee right in the comfort of your home. In this video, we will explore the top 5 best automatic espresso machines available on AliExpress, ensuring you find the perfect machine to elevate your coffee experience. Number 1. DeLonghi Ecam 22110 The DeLonghi Ecam 22110 is a compact and stylish automatic espresso machine that packs a punch with its impressive features. Designed for both beginners and experienced coffee lovers, it offers a user-friendly interface, allowing you to craft delicious espresso shots with ease. This machine features a built-in conical burr grinder that ensures your coffee beans are freshly ground for each cup, preserving the rich flavors and aromas. In addition to espresso, the ECAM 22110 can create a variety of coffee drinks, including cappuccinos and lattes, thanks to its integrated milk frother. With a sleek stainless steel finish, it not only looks great on your kitchen counter but is also built to last. The machine's compact size makes it suitable for smaller kitchens, while its large water tank ensures you won't need to refill frequently. Key features: built-in grinder. The conical burr grinder provides fresh grounds for every cup, enhancing flavor. Milk frother. The integrated frothing system creates creamy milk textures for cappuccinos and lattes. Compact design. Space-saving design makes it suitable for kitchens with limited counter space. Easy to clean. Removable brewing unit and drip tray for simple cleaning and maintenance. Adjustable settings. Customize the strength and size of your coffee to match your preferences. Number 2. Gaggia Brera Super Automatic Espresso Machine. The Gaggia Brera is an excellent choice for those looking for an affordable yet high-quality automatic espresso machine. It combines user-friendly features with professional-grade performance, making it a favorite among coffee enthusiasts. The machine is equipped with a ceramic burr grinder that ensures even grinding, preserving the essential oils and flavors of the beans. One standout feature is the Brera's rapid steam technology, which allows for quick transitioning between brewing espresso and steaming milk. This is perfect for busy mornings when you need your coffee fix fast. The compact design fits easily in any kitchen, while the stainless steel finish adds a touch of elegance. Key features: ceramic grinder provides consistent grind size without overheating the beans. Rapid steam technology quickly switches between brewing and steaming for convenience. Compact size, ideal for kitchens with limited counter space. Pre-infusion system ensures even extraction for a richer flavor. User-friendly interface, simple controls for easy operation. Number 3. Breville BES 870 XL Barista Express Espresso Machine. For those who are serious about their coffee, the Breville BES 870 XL Barista Express is a top-of-the-line automatic espresso machine that combines advanced technology with an authentic barista experience. This machine features a built-in conical burr grinder and offers precise control over every aspect of the brewing process, from grind size to water temperature. With a sleek and stylish design, the Barista Express is not only functional but also an eye-catching addition to any kitchen. The machine includes an integrated steam wand for creating perfectly frothed milk, allowing you to replicate your favorite cafe drinks at home. Its large water tank and easy-to-navigate interface make it perfect for both novices and experienced baristas. Key features: integrated grinder, freshly ground beans for each cup enhance flavor and aroma. PID temperature control ensures optimal brewing temperature for better extraction. Steam wand allows for microfoam texturing for lattes and cappuccinos. User-friendly design, intuitive controls for easy customization of drinks. Removable water tank makes refilling and cleaning a breeze. Number 4. Seco Zelsys SM7684-0 for automatic espresso machine. The Seco Zelsys is designed for the coffee connoisseur who values customization and versatility. This automatic espresso machine offers a wide range of coffee styles and personalization options, ensuring that every user can create their perfect cup. With its intuitive touchscreen interface, you can easily navigate through the various options, including strength, temperature, and milk texture. The Zelsys features dual boiler technology, allowing for simultaneous brewing and steaming, which significantly reduces wait times. Its ceramic grinders ensure consistent results, while the integrated milk carafe automatically froths milk for lattes and cappuccinos. The stylish design, coupled with high-performance features, makes the Zelsys a top contender in the automatic espresso machine category. Key features: touchscreen display, easy-to-use interface for selecting and customizing beverages. Dual boiler system enables simultaneous brewing and steaming. Integrated milk carafe automatically froths milk for various drinks. Ceramic grinders ensures consistent grind quality without overheating. Personalization options save your favorite drinks for quick access. Number 5. Philips 3200 Series Fully Automatic Espresso Machine. The Philips 3200 series is a versatile and user-friendly automatic espresso machine that caters to all coffee preferences. With its intuitive touch display, you can easily select from various coffee options, including espresso, cappuccino, and coffee. The machine also features a built-in ceramic grinder, which grinds your beans fresh for every cup. One of the standout features of the Philips 3200 series is its milk frother, which allows you to create delicious milk foam for your favorite coffee drinks. Its compact design and sleek aesthetics make it an attractive addition to any kitchen countertop. Whether you're an espresso novice or a seasoned coffee drinker, the Philips 3200 series provides a reliable and enjoyable brewing experience. Key features: user-friendly display, intuitive touch interface for easy selection of coffee options. Ceramic grinder, durable and efficient, ensuring fresh coffee every time. Milk frother, easily froth milk for lattes and cappuccinos. Compact design, space-saving design fits well in any kitchen. Adjustable coffee strength, customize your brew to suit your taste preferences. Conclusion: investing in an automatic espresso machine can revolutionize your coffee experience, offering convenience without sacrificing quality. Each of the machines listed above provides unique features and capabilities, catering to a variety of preferences and budgets. Whether you're a casual coffee drinker or a dedicated barista, these top 5 best automatic espresso machines from AliExpress will surely elevate your home coffee brewing to new heights. Happy brewing!